Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I will be discussing about our Designer plugin and how you can install and activate it for your BigCommerce platform so that you can offer a personalized experience to your customers, where your customers can come online, customize the product the way they want and have a preview of it and place the order online. So for that, you can either go to our website and check the integration section where you get the BigCommerce hyperlink. Once you click on that, you get an option to install the Designer plugin for your BigCommerce backend. Either you can do that or you can go to the BigCommerce app store where you just have to type in DesignO and you will get the option to install the plugin for your BigCommerce website. As I have already installed and activated it, I have that in the backend of my Designer in my backend of my BigCommerce platform, where under the app section, I have the Designer plugin installed. Now to activate it, I can request the team of design by clicking on this hyperlink here. And within 24 hours, I will receive the activation link, which I can just paste and click on submit. So once I'll do that, the Designer plugin is now activated. And here I get an option to see the dashboard, the stores, which I can map with the Designer plugin, the order management, and I can also start adding the products which are already there on my website so that the customer can have the personalized experience for all of these products. So for example, let's take this paper cup. And previously, once the customer used to come on my website, they used to just see the product and place the order. But now, as the Designer plugin is now activated, once the customer will select this product, they can see the customize option activated over here. Once they will click on it, they will be redirected to the Designer Studio, where they can have all these options like adding text, adding clip arts, adding photos, and I have already selected one. Once they would upload the photo on this paper cup, they would be able to see a 3D preview of it as well. So that way, I am, as a business owner, offering a personalized experience to my customer so that my customer can customize anything online, be confident after seeing the preview, and place the order happily online. So that's all from my end. Thank you so much for watching this video.